Hello everyone. In this lesson, separation of substances, we have studied about different methods of separation. We have studied hand picking method, threshing method, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, many more. Now today we are going to see the last part of the lesson, that is, see here, can water dissolve any amount of a substance? Only this much we have not finished. So here today we are going to see what is this. Can water dissolve any amount of a substance? म्हणजे एक लिमिटमध्ये पाणी, एक प्रमाणात आपण पाणी घेतलं आणि एक प्रमाण आपण सॉल्ट किंवा शुगर घेतलं आहे. सपोज आपण सॉल्ट घेतला. सो व्हॉट इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ डिझॉल्विंग substance into water? Now this we are going to study here. See the activity. You will need a beaker or a tumbler, a spoon, salt and water. Pour half a cup of water in the beaker. Add 1 teaspoonful of salt and stir it well. एक चमचा घ्यायचे आपल्याला सॉल्ट आणि अर्ध्या कप बीकरमध्ये पाणी घेऊन त्याच्यामध्ये डिझॉल्व करायचं. सो व्हेन यू डिझॉल्व, इट डिझॉल्व्स कम्प्लिटली अँड दिस सोल्युशन इज कॉल्ड एज अनसॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. नाव गो ऑन ॲडिंग द सॉल्ट. चमचा, एक चमचा, 2 चमचे असं ॲड करत जायचं. गो ऑन ॲडिंग अँड स्टरिंग. After adding a few spoons of salt, do you find that some salt remains undissolved and settles at the bottom of the beaker? It happens if you try to do it. After some times, when you add more and more salt in the water, some small salt remains at the bottom and it does not dissolve in water. That time, we say that this solution which stops dissolving the substance in it, this solution is called as saturated solution. ओके, प्रमाण पाण्याचं जितकं आहे तेवढंच सॉल्ट आपण त्यात डिझॉल्व करू शकतो. सो when you add more and more, what happens? It stops dissolving. Some amount of salt settles at the bottom of the beaker. This means that no more salt can be dissolved in the amount of water we have taken. The solution is now said to be saturated. See, a solution which cannot dissolve any more quantity of a given substance in it is said to be saturated. See here, you can see some amount of salt has remained in the beaker at the bottom. Now see another activity. Take some water in a beaker and mix salt in it until it cannot dissolve any more salt. This will give you a saturated solution of salt in water. Now add a small quantity of salt to this saturated solution and heat it. Okay, जेव्हा in normally without heating or without using any gas or that we are dissolving. But when you add more salt and heat that water, what will happen? What happens to the undissolved salt in the bottom of the beaker? Does it dissolve? Yes, it will dissolve, no, as you go on heating. If yes, can some more salt be dissolved in this solution by heating it? Let this hot solution cool. Does the salt appear to settle at the bottom of the beaker again? The activity suggests that larger quantity of salt can be dissolved in water on heating. Only on heating. Does water dissolve equal amounts of different soluble substances? Let us find out. Now we'll see the activity 10. Take 2 glasses and pour half a cup of water in each of them. Add a teaspoon of salt to 1 glass and stir till the salt dissolves. Go on adding salt 1 teaspoon at a time till the solution saturates. You know what is now saturated solution, how to prepare it. Record the number of spoons of salt that dissolve in the water. Now table 5.2 is given in your textbook. Now repeat the same activity with sugar. Repeat this with some other substances that are soluble in water. What do you notice from table 5.2? Do you find that water dissolves different substances in different amounts? We have discussed a few methods. Now we have finished the lesson. This is the last part. Now what you are going to do, you are going to complete table 5.2 टेक शुगर अँड सॉल्ट. सॉल्टचे किती चमचे डिझॉल्व होतात आणि शुगरचे किती चमचे डिझॉल्व होतात तेवढंच अमाऊंटचं पाणी घ्यायचं. ओके. So this you are going to do, find out the result and write down here number of spoons and send it to me. So we have discussed a few methods of separating substances. Some of the methods of separation presented in this chapter are also used in a science laboratory. Okay. We also learned that a solution is prepared by dissolving substance in a liquid. A solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve more of the substance in it. So by this we have finished our lesson. Do this table 5.2 and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Very easy to do that. And read lesson. So we'll stop here today. Thank you.